Hi everybody. In this video, we are going to discuss about analyzing marketing opportunity. From the term itself, you can understand that is doing an analysis in the market to understand the opportunities available in the market. So let us see what is the meaning of analyzing marketing opportunities. Market analysis involves market research about a product or service being offered in the market. It involves using primary data and secondary data, looking at the economic situation of the country and the legal aspects, political aspects, the legislation, the competitors, the new entrants into the market, etc., and their market positioning. So, in simple words, we can say that market analysis means it is a research that is conducted in the market, and this research is conducted about the products or the services that is offered in the market, and this analysis is done using the primary data or the secondary data. Primary data is a data in are those data which are collected for the first time from the market, and secondary data are those data that are taken from any published journals or articles or magazines or something like that. So if we are using it if we are using a data that is already collected by some other person for our analysis purpose, then we call it as secondary data. So, market analysis is done using primary data as well as secondary data. And this analysis or this research is conducted by looking at all the aspects that is happening in the market. It may be the economic situation, it may be the legal aspect, it may be the political aspect, it may be by understanding or studying the competitors, or it may be by studying about the new entrants into the market, and all these aspects are considered while doing the market analysis. So, market analysis in simple terms, we can say that it is a research conducted in the market to know about or to study about the products or services that is offered in the market, and this data will be analyzed using different statistical tools, and this will be used in identifying short term, medium term, and long term on various marketing activities. So if we are collecting data using primary method, then, or if we are collecting primary data, then different statistical tools are used for collecting all those data and also for analyzing those data. And this is identified using the data, or the statistical tools are used using whether we are studying for a short term, we are studying for a long term, or a medium term. So for different terms, we are using different statistical tools for analyzing the market, and this data will provide useful information, and this will enable the organization to plan its marketing strategies. Okay, so in simple words, we can say that analyzing the trends, conditions, and conditions of the market, and analyzing the products or services that is offered in the market is known as marketing analysis. So understanding the opportunities available in the market by doing all this analysis or all this research in the market, we call it as analyzing marketing opportunities. So let's see what are different marketing processes. So there are different marketing processes involved in the market while conducting the research. So let us see one by one what are the different processes involved. First step is that we should have a mission. So simply we cannot do a research in the market. In order to do a research in the market, first of all we should have an objective or goal or a mission in the mind. Only if we are having an objective, goal, or mission in our mind, then we can conduct analysis in the market. There should be a reason, there should be a topic, there should be a mission for conducting the marketing analysis. And the next step is situation analysis. So situation analysis means analyzing the situation in which the company finds itself serves as the basis for identifying chances to satisfy unfulfilled customer needs. So situation analysis means analyzing the situation in which the company is operating, or in which the company is serving, or in which the company is identifying to satisfy the customer needs. So analyzing the situation is known as situation analysis, and situational and environmental analysis is done to identify marketing options, to understand company's own capabilities, to understand the surroundings in which the company is operating. So mainly, as we told earlier, analyzing the situations in which the company is operating is known as situation analysis. Mainly, the situation analysis is done to identify the unsatisfied needs or unfulfilled needs of the customers, and the situational analysis is also done to identify the marketing options, to identify the company's capabilities, to identify the surroundings or the competitors or the new entrants in the market. So analyzing the situation in which the company operates is known as, or in which the company serve is known as situation analysis. This is the second step involved in marketing process. And then third one is marketing strategy. So after identifying marketing options, or after identifying the situations available, a strategic plan is developed to pursue the identified options, and an analysis is done, and the best available option is chosen. A plan or a strategy is made for that option. So in the first and foremost thing involved in marketing process is to have a mission, and after that they have to do the situation analysis, and after doing situation analysis a marketing strategy should be developed. So after understanding the situations, or after understanding the conditions that is surrounding the market, or understanding the situations where the market is going to serve, then the next step they have to take is to have a marketing strategy. So after identifying marketing options available, there will be number of marketing options available. So the company have to choose the best marketing options that is suitable for the company, that is matching with the mission of the company, and then they have to prepare a strategic plan for making into Zine, the prepared strategy or analyzed one. Okay, so an analysis is done to find the best, and after doing this analysis, the best available option is chosen, and for that best available option, a particular plan, particular strategy is made in order to make it come true. Okay, then that is marketing strategy, and next one is marketing mix decisions. So after making a strategy or plan, the next step is to elaborate tactical decisions, and elaborated tactical decisions are made for the controllable parameters of the marketing mix. And this marketing mix decision involves decisions relating to product development, product pricing, product distribution, and also product promotion. So marketing mix means, you know, that it involves the product, price, place, and promotion. So marketing mix decisions, that is decision relating to the product development and decision relating to product pricing. If a first step is to have a plan, have a strategy, and after having a plan and a strategy, a new product will be developed, and after developing a product, a price should be fixed for that particular product. They will be studying about the cost, and also the cost incurred for producing a particular product, and they will also see the cost of the similar product in which the competitors are selling in the market. So they will be analyzing the price that is fixed by the competitors, and on all the and having a detailed study about the pricing, they will be fixing the price for the product, and then they will be taking decisions regarding the distribution of the product. And after fixing the price, then the product should be reached to the customers. So distribution is a way to reach the products of the company to the customers. So product distribution is another decision taken. Have to distribute the product in